Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some garlic butter shrimps. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So here I have my shrimps that I've deveined and cleaned, and then I'm gonna lightly season them. Now I'm gonna use a teaspoon of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use a tablespoon of my seafood creole. I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of my smoked paprika, and completely optional, I'm going to go in with a half a teaspoon of my cayenne pepper, just to add a little bit of heat. But you can totally leave this out if you don't want to. Now, or if you don't have this seasoning to hand, you can go ahead and any little fish seasoning or all-purpose seasoning should do the trick. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix. I'm also going to add just about a teaspoon of my olive oil, just to make sure that seasoning just sticks on to the shrimp. I'm also going to add some cornstarch. Now you can add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now what this does, it just gives the shrimp a little bit of coating, so it's just got it gets a nice fry onto it. Now in a heated pan, I went in with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna just lightly fry my shrimps. Now I'm gonna fry these for roughly about a couple of minutes on each side, turning over halfway through. Now I did do these in 2 batches because I didn't want the oil temperature to drop too much, so I kind of just separated the whole thing and just did it in 2 batches. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, your shrimp should be cooked, so just go ahead and take them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry the second batch. Now once I've finished frying the second batch, I'm just going to use the same pan to make my butter. I'm just going to get a kitchen towel and just lightly clean off the excess debris that's in the pan. Now going with my butter, I'm using about 20 grams of butter here, and this is salted butter. I'm going to go in with about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, because garlic butter shrimp, so we want it very garlicky. But if you don't want to use so much garlic, or you want to add a little bit more, go ahead. And I'm also going to add some freshly chopped parsley. Now I'm going to use about a teaspoon of my paprika. Paprika don't really have no taste, so just to give it a really nice color. Now I'm going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm going to add my shrimp. Now let me tell you, these shrimps was really good. Now let me just warn you, and see if you're not on that special night, don't bother with that one here because it's very garlicky. So yeah, no matter go stick the people them stomach now with the extra garlicky breath. Now this is completely optional, but what I did was just add about a couple of tablespoons of water, because I kind of want the sauce to just to thicken up a little bit. Don't add too much water, because remember the cornstarch is on the shrimp, and the it will get over thick, and you don't really want that. But just to give it a nice light little juice, as you can see, there's a little juice. There you have it, guys. My garlic butter shrimps is ready. Now I'm just gonna plate this up now. Yes, we're gonna go a little bit extra with the garlic, and we're gonna serve this up with some garlic bread. As my one and before, no bother use this on the turn up nights. The garlic is real in this one, but completely nice. Now you're gonna need the bread for just sop up all of that sauce that's from the shrimp. But I'm telling you guys, this was so good. Now I'm just gonna literally just pull a little spring onion, scallion, whatever you call it, over it, just for a little bit of decor thing for go on, and just add my little stress garlic bread going on here. But you know what, yeah, we move away from that. Yes, never have none and just run to the local shop, forget it, and this was the results. But you know what, it did the trick. It did what it needed to do. Guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up for this video, and if you already haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, And don't forget, as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.